Welcome to the Kinaxis RapidResponse online training presented by Hope Infotech. This comprehensive 40-hour course offers instructor-led practical learning, live projects, certification prep, and career support in Hyderabad. This course is 40 hours long, with flexible live online, weekend, weekday, and self-paced options. You will receive dedicated Kinaxis certification support and engage in hands-on projects and case studies to build job-ready skills. The curriculum is divided into 10 modules covering Kinaxis basics, UI and navigation, demand and supply planning, inventory management, and scenario simulation. You'll also cover workflow management, data integration, certification preparation, and real-time projects. The training covers core functionalities that equip learners to solve complex planning problems. Kinaxis RapidResponse training offers real-time visibility across supply chains, enabling faster, smarter decisions and improved market responsiveness for global organizations. Enjoy flexible learning options, mentorship from expert, certified trainers, and practical experience through hands-on labs and case studies, plus dedicated career support. Hope Infotech prepares learners for multiple Kinaxis certifications, including Rapid Response Certified Professional, Solution Consultant, and Integration Specialist, opening doors to global career roles. This course is ideal for supply chain professionals, planners, analysts, and fresh graduates. A bachelor's degree in a related field is recommended, along with a reliable internet connection and a laptop for practice. Gain access to job roles like Kinaxis Consultant, Supply Chain Analyst, Functional Consultant, and System Administrator. These roles involve implementing solutions, analyzing data, designing models, and managing projects. Choose between self-paced learning with lifetime access or instructor-led training, available in group or personalized one-on-one sessions with direct mentor access and project feedback. Contact Hope Infotech today for free demo session with expert trainer. Call us on 9951 609 609.